The first thing that you're asked to do is to upload a profile picture and add a biography. Now, if you don't want to add an actual picture, you could add an appropriate image like your school logo or maybe something related to your topic. In order to do this, you click on the Account button and then choose Profile. And then you just click this little pencil right here to upload a picture. So I'm going to choose a picture off of my desktop. It probably helps to put the picture somewhere you know where it is before you get started. Then you can size it a little bit to make sure you've got what you want. It's usually good to have the eyes, if you're using a picture, right about the middle of the circle. Also, these are going to be really small, so I wouldn't worry too much about that detail. So I've added my picture. Next, we're going to add a biography. That picture will show up in a minute. And to add a biography, you're going to edit your profile. And then this is just the biography off of the website. You can use the same one. We'll just paste it in there and save. So that's how you add a picture and a biography to your profile. The next thing that you're asked to do is to adjust your notifications. And this is not where you're going to be notified, but what you'll be notified about. So if you click on notifications here, you'll notice a default set of notifications on yours. These have already been set to no notification. The Canvas trainer that we got recommended that teachers maybe turn all of these off. So as you can see, these are all turned off, because when you first sign into Canvas every day, you'll have a dashboard that tells you all of the different activity that's happened since the last time you signed in. So you don't necessarily have to have those coming to your phone or to your email. And that's a lot of email that could be generated if you're working with 150 students in a day. One thing I turn on for mine is down here in the conversation section. This is actually the inbox right here, and for some reason I don't always see that really well. So I turn this one on, and the check mark means send me an email message or a text or whatever you said you wanted for your notifications every single time I get a message. This one says send me a notification once a day with all of the activity here. And this one you can schedule for once a week. I choose once a day, and it just reminds me to go check that inbox. Other than that, I recommend that you turn everything off and just watch your dashboard. But you can choose what you like, and if you decide you're getting too much or not enough information, you can always go back here and change these settings again. There's no saving required for this. The last thing that you're asked to do in this assignment is to connect your district Google Drive. And that is so when you attach Google documents or share things with students that it automatically finds your Google Drive and you don't have to do a lot with link changing or sharing options. So you go to click on Google Drive, and then just this first time you have to authorize that. And that saves you from having to authorize every single time you want to load something up. In this case, I need to use a different account. Remember the STU in your district account. Then this is the same password that you use to sign into the computer and into Canvas. And then you allow Canvas to talk to Google. One place where staff and students can get in trouble with this is that they register their personal Google Drive. If you get a student that's constantly having issues with being able to open the things you share, check to make sure that they use their district Google account and not a personal Google account.